Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the AI photography. We'll be using my Clever AI Tools app, which is available on iOS, Android, and the web. First, search for the app on your platform, the App Store, Google Play, or use the website. Then download and open it. The app offers many tools. In this case, we want to select AI photography. Next, just upload an image and choose a scenario. Either browse, type anything, or choose random like we do here. Now wait for the new image. It will appear below. You can tap it to preview, and if you like it, save it to your gallery. This is a very easy process. No need for anything complex. Ideal even for beginners and non-technical users. Now let's try different person and different scenario. This time, we'll create a new picture on a sunny beach. We repeat the process and wait to see the result. It creates a new picture on a sunny beach. The great part is that if you repeat the same prompt twice, you can get different results, as we'll demonstrate now. Again, we type the same prompt and see the result. Now we can choose which one we like better. That's it! This was the tutorial on how to use the AI photography inside my Clever AI mobile app. If you liked it, feel free to try it right now.